Okay, good morning. When we played with this the other day, having some issues with, I think, the intake valve not actually sealing up properly, so try and lap that in because it had issues and I tried to deal with it and that didn't work out. So I have made a plan. Get the spark plug out. Pop this head off and take a look at what my plan is for this, because I don't have lapping compound, but I think I have a solution. The last thing we did was use a little bit of water dry sandpaper, and because I didn't want it to cut so much, I just used it dry, so it kind of clogged up pretty quick, but I think it still probably cut a bit much for our intended goal, but it did clean up that burn on the side of the valve that we saw. So set that aside. A lot of carbon on the inside here because it's cold out and I've been running cold. Now, alright, there is our intake valve. Now, I'm going to get my safety glasses and my Dremel, and the plan is I'm going to cut a very tiny notch in the face of this valve so that I can put some baking soda paste around that on that valve seat and turn it very carefully with a screwdriver to try and get it to seat in. So is that notch. Nope, that notch is not. There we go. Perfect. Just enough of a notch to get it to turn. I didn't get over the edge at all, so wipe this off and get my tiny screwdriver bit to pop the clip off the spring. So one C-clip, and the valve is popped out. Wipe it. Wipe it out. Yeah, it's still got that spot where it's trying to blow by, but just have baking soda, a little bit of water so it'll turn into a paste. Get that on there, and doesn't want to turn with that paste in there, but I can turn it gently using the valve stem. So alright, turn it a little bit both ways. Now trying to look at that seat. Alright, I got a little action in there, so I'll put the extra baking soda paste out of there. Put some more on there. Spin that valve a bit more. Alright. I think that might have worked. The nice thing about baking soda is it's water soluble, so I just have to wash this with a little bit of soap, and it should work out just fine. And then I will I'll use some rubbing alcohol to get the water out. So alright. Well, I don't know how well anybody can see that, but I think it's working out, or looking good. So I'll put that together and then we'll try it out again on Saturday. And